Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new board on the pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your homepage and tap on this Your Profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on this plus icon that you can find on the right side. Tap on board, and here you should type in the name of your board that you are creating. Here you can keep your board secret if you would like to. Tap on this box and then click on the create button. Here you can save some pins to your board. Tap on the save button and click on the done button down below, and here you can find your board at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.